Hello friends, you're watching Johannes.
Crypto Johannes.
Before we start our review, let's make our disclaimer. This video doesn't contain any type of financial advice, so be sure to do your own research before investing. RWA Inc. is a multi-asset platform specialized in a real-world asset tokenization, offering utility tokens and expanding into startup equity, real estate, collectibles, and more. With more than 50 partners, over $50 million raised, and plus 20,000 signups, RWA Inc. is advancing rapidly, backed by a strong team and global operations. Their 2025 roadmap focuses on launching a private investment platform, DEX, AI tools, and regulated equity tokens to revolutionize access to private markets. And today is a huge milestone for our RWA Inc. community. After days of anticipation, the private investor platform is launching this week, marking the start of a new era. The team has spent 6 months building a fully licensed, compliant, and secure platform designed to handle fundraising completely on-chain. This includes automated SAFTs, smooth transaction flows, and vesting, all crafted to market investing straightforward and trustworthy. Now the exciting part is, the platform is loaded with powerful features. Automated payment distribution ensures funds are split fairly between RWA Inc. clients, buyback and burn mechanisms, and referral commissions. Not only do they automate buyback and burn on chain with every investment, but they also offer integrated trade and swap options, allowing investors to buy and sell RWA Inc. and future client tokens directly on the platform. Why? Because this creates real utility and value for the token holders, transforming the token from just a symbol into a tool for accessing real-world assets. This is something I personally like. Seeing a platform that enables investments starting from just $1,000 opening doors previously reserved for VCs and the insiders. As you can clearly understand, this launch is only the beginning. The platform will keep adding new clients and asset types such as tokenized real estate with Pixel, offering high-yield opportunities that were once only available to institutions. Here's the thing to prove their commitment. The team burned 4 million RWA Inc. tokens forever, creating scarcity that supports long-term value. Mike Storm's announcement to airdrop 10,000 RWA Inc. tokens to the first 100 investors shows they are rewarding early adopters who help build the ecosystem. Not only do they provide innovative investment options, but they back it all with transparency through on-chain transaction breakdowns and automated commission flows. This level of clarity is rare in the investment world and gives investors confidence. How? By combining blockchain technology, compliance, and real asset tokenization, they are redefining what it means to invest in private markets. The momentum is undeniable. With daily new client interest and live trading functionalities, RWA Inc. is positioning itself to revolutionize access to private investments and create real, lasting value for its community. Let me give you a walkthrough of the live RWA Inc. platform, now officially launched and fully operational. You can reach the platform by connecting your wallet and changing the network. This of course happens automatically. To join RWA project launches, you must create an account and complete KYC, stake RWA tokens for added perks, and register their interest in upcoming projects. Stake RWA in pools ranging from a month to whole year to earn yields from 10% to 30% APR, boost your multiplier from 1x to 3x, and unlock higher access tiers with no withdrawal delays. RWA's tier system rewards users based on staking points, increasing IDO allocations, and granting exclusive access higher tiers, mean bigger multipliers, guaranteed allocations, and special perks. Access to the private launch section is available to users who have staked their tokens and reached gold tier status. This is what unlocks entry into a curated space of exclusive private investment opportunities, where early-stage projects are actively raising funds. This staking requirement builds a commitment community while providing fair, transparent access to early-stage deals across industries like entertainment, talent, IP, clean energy, private credit, and electric vehicle infrastructure. Inside the platform, deals are split into private rounds and public rounds. Public rounds function like standard IDOs, but the private ones are where things get interesting. Real-time fundraising campaigns with detailed data and legal binding agreements. Currently, you can see RWA platform includes Straightfire and Pinomo. Straightfire offers a total pool of almost 23 million STRF tokens on the base network, while Pinomo features a pool of 6,250,000 PNMO tokens, also on the base network. Both projects are in early stages, with public round details to be announced soon. Opening any live deal brings up all the essentials: the price per token, the amount available, how much has already been raised, and the exact terms you're agreeing to. It is all clear and clean. No fluff. Each project page also includes documentation, tokenomics, team info, and direct links to socials. Everything is bundled to help users make informed decisions without bouncing between tabs. Clicking a deal reveals token price, private sale allocation, amount raised, investment terms, time left, project documents, and social links for due diligence. The platform uses a SAFT-based investment system, which means every commitment is backed by a signed legal agreement. When you initiate an investment, a SAFT contract is generated automatically. Your wallet details are inserted, and the entire signature process is handled securely via Dropbox. There is no back and forth. The project's signature is already preloaded, so once you sign, the agreement is instantly finalized. From there, the wallet prompts the transaction approval. Everything is processed on-chain in real time, and the system immediately confirms your participation. You can download the signed SAFT and view the transaction directly on the blockchain. Absolute transparency from start to finish. Another standout feature is the breakdown of fund distribution. Every transaction shows exactly where the money goes: a share to platform fees, a portion to the buy and burn mechanism, some for referral rewards, and the rest straight to the project treasury. It is all automated, traceable, and leave the moment you click confirm. Beyond investing, the platform now includes a fully integrating trading section. Users can view real-time pricing charts, monitor market activity, and swap tokens on-chain through a smooth built-in interface. Right now, RWA Inc. is the first token available, but more tokens will be added as new projects go live. Everything from discovery to legal agreement to live trading is handled in one place. The platform is designed for speed, security, and clarity, giving users the tools they need to participate confidently in early-stage blockchain projects. RWA Inc. is now live. The deals are open, the system is ready, and the tools are all here. To give you a quick summary before we close, the RWA Inc. token's first full utility launches today with the mainnet rollout of the private investment and trading platform. Gold Plus members get exclusive access, and the first 100 investors deploying capital with each receive 10,000 RWA Inc. tokens in an airdrop. Total 1 million. So listings starting today. Straightfire, Pixel, Piggycell, Pinomo, all very soon, and some are live already. Next week, we will also see more exciting projects listed. 3 new clients are required to purchase 10,000 RWA Inc., matching the first 10,000 raised on the platform. So you should get that. With the launch of its private investment and trading platform, unlocking real utility for the RWA Inc. token and setting the stage for rapid client growth, innovative features, and the bold expansion throughout 2025. And that's the end of the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and check out for more. See ya.